Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, guys. Welcome to computer session. Today we will complete second lesson of Python. Today we'll start quiz maker program. Must know that read in Python shell mean comments and purple mean for print and green for string as this one. Okay. After open IDLE Python shell, go to file, new file, and start write program. If I start by number sign, convert to red, program name quiz maker. Convert to red means comment. Comment mean it won't appear at output. Okay, and so on. If I write make written by Ahmad, multiple choice quiz that gives you the score. Okay. If I want to write print, it convert to purple color. Okay. If I forget one braces example, and to make first I must save as quiz maker. Okay. If I make run module, invalid syntax. Syntax mean I write something error. Okay. Why make highlight by red? Syntax error. I must close the parentheses before go to the next line. Okay. If I make run module, save first. Okay. Welcome to the quiz. And print this line and print /n mean new line. Okay. Empty new line. Okay. Complete the program. This comment it won't appear at the output. Print purple and string in green /n new line. Try to run. Save first. Welcome to the quiz. What gas is needed for respiration? Oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen, argon. Okay, this is the output of our program, first program. I want from you to make the program as this one. Okay, and send to me. Okay, thank you, goodbye.